Our popular 3-watt COB and 37 LED inspection lamps have now been superseded by these superior, super bright 4-watt chip-on-board lamps. Not only are they much brighter, with an impressive output of 350 lumens, they also have ultraviolet LEDs on the end to help detect leaks in automotive aircon and cooling systems. So, what are the advantages of COB LEDs? Well, unlike conventional surface-mounted density LEDs, they emit superior light distribution, use a single light source that prolongs battery life and produces a single shadow. Available in 4 colours, these inspection lamps also have a single 80-lumen, 1-watt LED torchlight conveniently located in the end. Other features such as 2 hanging hooks and integral magnets on the back and in the base of the 180-degree swiveling body are also included, enabling the lamps to be positioned and set in the perfect position and your hands free to continue working. Power supply comes from the super efficient rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, recharged using either of the 240 or 12-volt adapters supplied. Although they're a handy toolbox size, if you're after a smaller alternative, then how about these 2-watt COB LED lamps that can output an impressive 150 lumens and have 1-watt LED torchlight in the ends. Just like the bigger 4-watt models, this range is available in a choice of colours and benefits from similar features, such as a 180-degree swiveling body joint, magnetic base, hanging hook and 240 and 12-volt USB charging adapters. Fantastic, tough lamps with a multitude of uses. Which one will you choose?